Hello, and welcome to Trade to Infinity. Today, we are going to discuss a very important price action strategy, which produces great results. This strategy can be used at any time frame, and at any market like stocks, crypto, forex, etc. The strategy is known as inside bar strategy. In this formation, we look for a candle body which totally fits inside the previous candle body. These candles have to be of different colors, say previous candle is green and current candle is red, or vice versa. We will create a box for the range of previous candle's body. Now, we will look for any candle that breaks the range of this box that we have created. When any candle breaks this box, we will take the trade in that direction. We will keep our stop loss above the box range, in case of short trades, and vice versa. We can aim for 1% while using a 30-minute time frame. Targets will vary if you use smaller or bigger time frame. Bigger the time frame, more the target. Here are some of the examples of how this strategy works. We can clearly see that we have big red candle, and the next candle is green, whose body totally fits inside the body of red candle. We have made the box for range of red candle's body, and wait for any candle to break the range. When any candle breaks this range in either direction, we will take trade in that direction with stop loss above the box. We see that once the range of box is broken in downward direction, the price comes down, and gives us profit. In the same manner, again, we see another inside bar forming. We will again create a box as described earlier and wait for any candle to break the range. Once it is broken, we will take the trade in that direction and make profits. See, here also we have inside candle formation. We will follow the same steps to gain our profits. Same thing here again. Market gives loads of chances to people who have knowledge. Let's check out the one where we have to do a long trade, as all the earlier examples were for short trades. We will follow same steps here as well. Create box with body range, wait for the break of box, and enter the trade. Here is another example of long trade using this strategy. There will be a lot of such opportunities in the market. If you know price action well, then our winning ratio using this strategy can be 70 to 80%. I really hope you liked the video, and by now, would have subscribed to the channel. See you in the next video.